Long eyelashes have always been perceived as a sign of feminine beauty. I also have long eyelashes, and people used to make fun of me in school saying I looked feminine. So, jokes apart, how can you increase your eyelash length? I am Dr. Rajdeep Mysore, a dermatologist practicing at Charma Clinic in JP Nagar, Bangalore. There are a group of medicines called prostaglandins, and these are used in eyelash lengthening serums. The common prostaglandins which are used in eyelash lengthening serums are brimetoprost and latanoprost, and they start showing results as early as 1 week after the start of treatment. Usually peak results are observed at around 1 month to 6 weeks, and the results are sustained many months even after stopping the medication. That's because eyelashes are nothing but hair, and hair is dead tissue, and once it grows it remains the same until it falls and a new hair grows. So for even 3 to 6 months after stopping these lash growth creams, the length of the eyelashes can be maintained. But these are prescription products, they can have side effects. So contact your doctor before you start any of these products, and if you develop an allergy or visual disturbances, blurring of vision, etc., immediately visit a dermatologist or ophthalmologist near you.